why keeping your money in the bank is making you broke and what to do instead in 2025. You can't have a soft life if your money is sleeping in the bank, because while you're saving, the bank is investing your money for themselves. Let me show you how to flip the script and make your money work for you, not them. Hello, Billionaire Fam. Welcome to AI Money with Remy. My name is Remy. On this channel, we teach how to use AI tools to create passive income, build digital businesses, and grow your world through smart finance strategies. The place where we make money smarter, not harder. Now listen, people keep saying you can start investing with any amount of money. And guess what? That's true. But first, let's fix how you think about your money. Because fam, there's a big difference between managing money and building wealth. Let's break it down like we're talking at brunch. Managing money versus building wealth. If you're just budgeting, saving, and putting all your cash in the bank, you're managing money, which is great for staying organized. But building wealth, that's when your money starts working for you, not the bank. Let me explain. When you keep your money in the bank, you think your money is sitting safely in a little box waiting for you. Nope. The bank is out here making moves with it. They take your money, my money, and your cousin's money and lend it out to people buying houses, cars, and businesses. Then they earn interest, big profits, while giving you maybe 1% a year. So basically, your money is working, just not for you. The real risk, inflation. Now, here is the part that hurts a little. Even if your money is just sitting there looking cute, it's losing value every single year because of something called inflation. That just means things are getting more expensive. A burger that cost $10 last year might cost $12 this year. So if you saved $100, you can now buy less than before. That's why you can't build wealth by only saving. The only 3 reasons to keep money in the bank. You don't have to go and pull out all your cash tomorrow. Just keep what you need for these 3 things. 1, emergency fund. Money for when life throws surprises, like car breaks down, phone dies, and so on. 2, sinking funds. Money you're saving for something planned soon, like travel or that dream camera. 3, daily expenses, like food, gas, and coffee. That's it. The rest of your money should be working. How to make your money work for you in 2025. Now, let's talk about what you should be doing if you want to turn $100 into $10,000. And yes, it's possible. Here are 3 beginner-friendly investing moves. 1, index funds. Think of an index fund like a theme of 500 companies. For example, the S&P 500. When you invest in it, you can own a tiny piece of all those companies. It's like buying one pizza that has every topping. So even if one topping flops, the rest still tastes amazing. 2, dollar cost averaging. This just means you invest a small amount every month, no matter what. Some months you buy when prices are low, yay, discounts. And some when prices are high. But over time, it all balances out. Slow and steady wins the wealth race. 3, fractional shares. You don't need to be rich to invest anymore. Thanks to fractional shares, you can buy a piece of a big stock like Apple or Tesla, even with $10 or $50. So you don't wait till you have thousands. Start small, stay consistent. Wrapping it up. So here is the truth. Saving is smart, but investing is power. This year, 2025, is all about your money learning to hustle while you sleep. If you want me to break down exactly how to start investing step by step, comment "I am ready" below and hit that like button so that more people can start building real wealth this year. Because we are not just surviving, we are building empires. I'm Remy, and this is AI Money with Remy, where your money learns to work smarter than you do. If you enjoyed this video, you will like this one on how to make $10,000 fast. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and God bless.